ask anybody around you this simple question: that what is gravity? And what did you probably hear is it's something that pulls objects towards the earth, or it's force exerted by the earth to pull objects towards it. Now, before we get into the basics of gravitation, there's one thing I want you to understand. Well, rather, there's one thing I want you to forget. Forget the fact of the gravity has to do only with the earth and the objects close to it. That's not gravity. We would see examples where objects are falling and to the ground, and we assume that it's the only concept we need to know about gravity. Yes, of course, it's gravity that pulls the objects towards the earth, but it's not the only thing that you need to understand about gravity. So, what is gravity? Consider your screen to be the universe, and these are any two objects in the universe. They could be planets or humans or animals or whatever. Just they both have non-zero mass. In this case, both objects are pulling the other object towards each other. The object is pulling this object towards itself, and the other object is pulling this one towards itself. This attractive force between any two masses in the universe is called the gravitational force. So what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is attractive force between any two objects with non-zero mass separated by a distance. It's not only the force that on the earth uses to pull objects towards it. But yes, as all of us have earth as our living planet, most examples we see for gravitation will lead to the earth pulling objects towards it. But you should know what is gravitational force that explains gravitation. Now, in the case of the earth and the human being, the earth is one object and the human is the other. And both are pulling the other towards themselves. But why does this happen? If you do a lot of research to want to gravity, really means you may find out the gravity is not actually a force and it's just an illusion. So for now, it's enough to know that gravitational force is just the attractive force between any two objects with non-zero masses separated by a distance. After knowing the basics, you will probably have many questions in mind. Does the apple fall towards the earth, or does the earth move towards the apple? If two objects always attract each other, why don't two humans get pulled towards each other? Why don't two stars collide with each other? After knowing the universal law of gravitation, you can be able to know the answers of all these questions. Thank you.